Welcome back, dear students. I had started this poem Small Pain in My Chest. I have already done the 6 paragraphs of this poem. In the first 3 paragraphs, I have dealt about the soldier and how he has been hurt in a battle and he needs water and he feels lucky to be alive. In the next 3 stanzas, I have told you that he is feeling a little tired and bad. He is regretting that the small pain in his chest has defeated him. But mentally he portrays his strength, that how he thinks that this should not have been the case, because I am a man full of enthusiasm and zest, and a man of my size should not be grounded like this. And he also tells to the narrator what had happened in the incident, how he has got hurt, how he has tried his best to defeat the soldiers, and how they have fought the whole night. Now let us begin with the last 3 stanzas of this poem. Now he is telling, what would my wife be thinking of her man so strong and grown? So now he is thinking that what will his wife say or feel or consider, who considers him as a hero, that because strong and grown, that he is such a strong man who was a hero to her, is how could he be sitting like this thinking, what would she think about me? So he is feeling that pain, that why, how would she feel when she sees him such a conditions, because he considers him as a grown up man, a man who is very strong and her hero. If she could see me sitting here too weak to stand alone, so when she sees me sitting here like this, helpless, who is not even to stand on his own feet, how would she feel? And just why not he is able to stand? Just because of a small pain in his chest, because of the tiredness, because of the small pain and the fatigue that he is experiencing. So he feels very, very bad about it, and he is not able to believe that this, my wife would also not be able to believe that a small pain in his chest could make him so weak. And then he says, could my mother have imagined, as she held me to her breast, that I would be sitting here one day with this pain in my chest? Now she's talking about his mother, because two important persons in his life. That first, and from this we know this man is married, okay? So first he's telling that my wife, she thinks that I am a hero and I'm sitting here like this. And then he's talking about his mother, that how will she react, how she will think that when during the whole childhood she had held him too close to her chest, where she has embraced him, that I would be sitting here one day fighting a battle, being a cause of so much of bodies lying there dead. So he's feel, did anybody's mother think that one day my child would be doing all this? Because no mother wants the child to get into any form of destruction. And there is a strong message here, that how this stanza also has a very important meaning, that the poet makes us think about the evils that are caused by the wars, and the readers sympathize with the soldier's situation. And he is also thinking that was it so necessary that I am the cause, or I have to? This is even intensifying by the mention of his wife and mother, that the readers will, how a soldier feels after he has done so much for his country, fought for the battle, but then this has finally led to so much of destruction. So here is written, see, capital, so which indicates the battle that has happened on this field, and how which, and this is of no use basically for the mankind, for humanity, because wars doesn't have any productive potential. It only destroys and leads to destruction. And the soldiers wouldn't mind even to die for a noble cause, but to be sitting here without a good reasons seems very, very silly to him. So he feels, what would my mother and my